Hi, this is Ron the Dream Roper. Today I'd like to talk about making people's lives better. Stay tuned, you might pick up some pointers on that. Okay, Ron, back to you. And I hope you're having a great day. Okay, making people's lives better. I was recently I met Tim Sales in Tampa at the Top Earner Academy with Ray Higdon. Tim Sales, in case you don't know him, is I don't like to use the word oldest, probably the most seniority as a trainer in the network marketing industry. I mean, he's Brilliant Compensation. I'll put a link to that tape, by the way. If you've never watched Brilliant Compensation, you should, so I'll put a link on my blog post. I'll put a link at the end. And anyway, he said something that really grabbed my attention, is the point of any business should be to make people's life better. It's not sales, it's not marketing, it's not product. If what you are doing is not making people's lives better, then you really need to take a second look at what you're doing. And it doesn't really matter what business you're in. It doesn't matter what relationship you're in. For instance, all of us are in sales. I mean, I'm married, so obviously I sold myself to Barbara, and probably she sold herself to me. And talking about the results, she has definitely made my life better. I'll have to let her speak for herself on the other, right? So in any relationship you have, you should look at making other people's lives better. Maybe on a relationship you want to make sure that other people are making your life better, because we all have had toxic relationships. But anyway, back on the subject, to the business. I would encourage you on everything you do, especially in business, because that's what we're focusing on here, is if you focus on making the other person's life better, then you're going to be a long way down that road. A couple of hints here on making someone's life better is, first off, you need to understand what they want and what they're looking for. And how do you do that? Start with, you need to ask them questions and to listen to their answers. And by listen, I don't mean listening as in waiting for them to stop talking so it's your turn. I mean actually physically listening and focusing on listening. So if you understand what they're looking for in life, and quite often you can also focus on things that they can't see. We all are kind of blindsided. We put ourselves in a box. We put limits on ourselves that aren't really there. God created us for greater than some of the limits we self-impose. So maybe you can help them step outside of their box to make life better. So my key message for you today is to focus on helping other people make their life better. And if you get value from this, please feel free to share. And click on the link I'll put at the end of this video on going to a website that you can watch Brilliant Compensation. I look forward to talking with you soon. The Dream Roper, signing out.